Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can write small text on Discord, and in order to do that we will need some sort of small text generator. So in the browser, let's find one. For instance, you can use this website small.textgenerator.org/discord, and over here at the top you can type any message that you want. Let's say I'm gonna type my short message. And we have 4 different styles. We have small caps font, we have high above font fonts, we have small text style, and tiny caps fonts. And as you can see, this is how they look like. If we want to use any of them, I can just press copy, and now we can go back to Discord and then we can paste our text. And this is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna press send, and this is our message in a small text. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.